Hello friends, welcome to daily class question discussion. In this course, we will discuss 10 multiple choice question and 1 descriptive question. Topic of this question is based on the UPSC CSE GS syllabus. By joining this channel, you can complete your whole UPSC syllabus in the form of MCQ and descriptive question within 11 months. You can join this course at any time and it will be completed within 11 months. You can learn these topics in theoretical manner and after that watch this video. So let's start today's subject. Today's subject is international relation and there is only descriptive question of this subject. What is the question? Afghanistan is an important nation in the context of geopolitics. Discuss with reference to the India. What is the answer? Afghanistan is a South Asian country and it provides route India for the Middle East countries and the Central Asian countries. Historically, Afghanistan was a buffer state between the British and Russian Empire. Its border are connected with China, Pakistan, Iran, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, and India. Now, let's see on this map. And so, this area is this is a totally area is Bangladesh and is surrounded by Iran, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, China, India, and Pakistan. Importance of the Afghanistan geopolitics with reference to the India. It connects Central Asian countries to India. India can find route to Central Asian countries through Afghanistan. By doing so, India can bypass पाकिस्तान. भारत जो है ये इसके वाखन कॉरिडोर जो है अफगानिस्तान का वाखन कॉरिडोर से इंडिया की बाउंड्री टच होती है. जो पीओके है, पीओके ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर का हिस्सा से टच होता है वाखन गलियारा. ये भारतीय हिस्सा है अभी जिस पर पाकिस्तान ने अपना अवैध अधिकार कर रखा है. पीओके जिसे कहते हैं भारतीय हिस्सा है. यहाँ से भारत को रूट मिलता है. ठीक है. चाबहार पोर्ट. It is the only Iranian port with direct access to the ocean. It is considered a gateway to golden opportunity for trade by India, Iran and Afghanistan with Central Asian countries. There are 5 Central Asian countries: Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan और अन्य. जो ये यहाँ पे ना तुर्कमेनिस्तान, उज्बेकिस्तान, ताजिकिस्तान, ये 5 सेंट्रल एशियन कंट्री कहलाती है. By the Chabahar port actually contain 2 separate ports, Shahid Kalantari and Shahid Beheshti. ड्यूरेंट लाइन ये अफगानिस्तान और पाकिस्तान के बीच के मध्य की राजनीतिक सीमा रेखा है जो पाकिस्तान को अफगानिस्तान से अलग करती है. द ड्यूरेंट लाइन फॉर्म द अफगानिस्तान पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर इज ए 2670 किलोमीटर इंटरनेशनल land border between Afghanistan and Pakistan in South Asia. The western end runs to the border with Iran and the eastern end of the border with China. The Durand Line was established in 1893 as the international border between India and Afghanistan by the Mortimer Durand. जब पाकिस्तान तो था नहीं, भारत और अफगानिस्तान के बीच ये लाइन खींची गई थी. ए ब्रिटिश डिप्लोमेट्स of Indian civil service and Abdul Rahim Khan and Afghan emperor to fix the limit of their respective sphere of influence and improve diplomatic relations and trade. The British Empire considered Afghanistan to be an independent state at a time, although they controlled its foreign affairs and diplomatic relations. No Afghan government has recognized the Durand Line as its border since 1947. 1947 के बाद से आज तक कोई भी ऐसी अफगान सरकार नहीं है जिसने ड्यूरेंट रेखा को माना हो. ये कॉन्फ्लिक्ट का विषय बना हुआ है. ये ड्यूरेंट लाइन है, अपन यहाँ से दिखा रहे हैं, ये है ड्यूरेंट, ठीक है। चाइना ये इधर यहाँ पे, ये अफगानिस्तान है, ये पाकिस्तान। Hence, the Indian government provide various types of assistance to the Afghanistan to build peace and stability in this region. So friends, this video has been concluded. If you have any query, you can ask in description box. Thank you so much.